Hey, this is Rich from HouseBarons.com. My brother Dave and I renovate houses along with Dave's son Caleb. And today we want to tell you about a very cool product. It's called multicolor changing lights. So it's got 8 feet of LED lights and it's on like this ribbon. And what's so cool about it is that you can put it pretty much anywhere and you can cut it to 4-foot lengths and you can create like an ambiance in a room with mood lighting. And so we put it in this bar area. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing because we want to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a ton of money. Right, Claire? So it comes with this very cool remote control and you can see all the different colors. So you can put it on just one solid color if you just, like having a St. Patrick's Day party or something, you just want it to be green. But it's also got these other buttons over here where you can have the lights flash, strobe, fade, and then they have one called smooth, which is a super slow fade. And here we'll open the package and see what's in here. And this is what it looks like. This is the flex ribbon light strip, and that's the remote control. They give you these fasteners, so you could put it underneath a vanity pretty easily. So this just plugs in here. There's a little port there. So on this remote, it's got like this little tab that you have to pull out to make it work. Okay, so now we'll just hit the on button. And there it's on. And turn it off. That's flash. That's strobe. That's fade. And this one's called smooth, so it's just a slower fade. On the bottom side of this flex ribbon, there's an adhesive strip. So all you got to do is pull the backing off of it, and then you can just affix it to whatever you want, and then you can use these little clips to hold it firmly in place. We're Amazon affiliates and we're going to put a link in the description below so you can get this product right off of Amazon. This is the guest bathroom at the lake house, and so we put our undermount lighting under there. And what we like about it is we just leave this on whenever we get guests and they can use it as a nightlight to find this bathroom. Okay, so this is how it looks under the floating vanity. So we've got it plugged in over there, and then we've just fastened the rope light, all around the bottom of it. And it creates a real nice even glow for the whole room. See, as far as pros go, well, there's many. It is relatively inexpensive, very simple to install, and easy to use, easy to operate the remote control. But overall, the best part about it is just how it creates a mood in a space. So, down here, we use it just for ambiance. Upstairs, it's being used as a nightlight. And so, I don't know, it's just kind of like an instant party. You put it up and put some music on, and you've got a very festive setting. As far as cons go, really can't think of any. There's nothing about it that we don't like, and we'll probably be putting more of these around at other properties that we renovate. So anyway, if you got anything out of this video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out our channel and we appreciate that. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do, because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. Thank you very much for viewing, and we'll see you in this video.